Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking storage and settings so you know how much space you must free. Once you see used versus free, close and fully quit any suspended games to release temporary RAM-backed files. Make sure to back up important save files to PS Plus Cloud or a USB drive before removing anything. This prevents accidental loss. Now move to the applications list and sort by size so you can target the largest items first, which gives the biggest immediate space gain. You now remove what takes the most room. Go to Applications, sort by size, highlight a large game, press Options, then Delete. This recovers multiple gigabytes quickly. Once done, head to Capture Gallery and remove old screenshots and video clips you no longer need. Trimmed clips often free up significant space. Also inspect add-ons, DLC, and betas inside each game's data and delete unused packs. By targeting bulky items first, you reduce clutter efficiently and keep system saves intact. You finish by optimizing and verifying. Enter safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This consolidates files and can recover additional space while improving performance. After the rebuild, check storage again to confirm how much you reclaimed, then reinstall only the content you actually use. If you hit errors deleting or low space warnings, update system software, retry deletion, or attach an external HDD to offload games. This step ensures a stable system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.